Okay guys, kind of quick tutorial walkthrough in Photoshop. So you would not need a lot of tools to use Photoshop. Let me show you really quick a few things you need to know. So always, first of all, don't forget to make invisible this first layer with final color correction, because if it would be visible like that, you would not be able to see any changes because this layer is above anything else and it's hiding all the layers we have here. So first of all, make it invisible. And second thing, to make visible or invisible objects or layers, you can press on that eye icon to make visible or invisible. To change your text or create a new text layer, you need to just press on T button and choose the text. Maybe you wrote down something like my thumbnail, and once you're done with changing the text, you need to go back and press on that move tool to move a selection or layer, and now you can move it again. But let's say you don't like this my thumbnail thing. To turn back everything you did, you need to just press on Ctrl Z or Command Z on Mac, and here you can see our YouTube thumbnail back. Also, you can undo things on the history tab. Here you would see the history of any actions you did in this project. Also, you can undo things right here like that, or like that. If you don't have any of these windows that I'm gonna use in this tutorial, you need to go to Window and change the one you don't have. But we are gonna need just a few: layers, history, adjustments, character, paragraph, and properties. You can find all of this right here if you don't have this right now. If you want to copy and paste something, you just need to press on Ctrl C and Ctrl V, or Command C and Command V on Mac. Right now this is copied. And let's say you make a text. You need to press Ctrl T or Command T on Mac to scale it. You need to press and hold Shift to properly scale it. If you're not gonna use Shift, this would be scaling like that. You can see it's not so cool. To delete things, you just need to press the delete button on your computer like that, or just press on the layer you want to delete and go to delete layer. And here you can see this emoji, this phone emoji, and as any object right here, it has some effects. So if you have, let's say, a new object without all these effects, let's clear layer style, and right now it don't have any cool effects. So what we need to do is just go to this emoji that have all these effects, this one right here, and just make right mouse button click and go to copy layer style. Then go to this emoji without all the effects and right mouse button click and just find this paste layer style. Right now it have all the settings that this layer have. Let's delete this one. So basically you can copy and paste everything in this project. You can copy and paste it by Ctrl C and Ctrl V, or make a right mouse button click, then go to style and copy layer style. Then if you don't want some effects to move when you select it, you can lock it. So let's choose this one, this emoji right here. Let's lock it, and right now I can move it. Right now everything around moving, but this object is not moving because it's locked. Let's unlock it, and right now it's moving again. If you want to make some color correction on the layer, on object, or on anything you want, you just need to find this object, just go to this icon right here, pressing it, and here you need to choose hue and saturation. And let's change some hue and saturation. Okay, it's not what we need because it's changing all the layers. So to change the exact layer, you need to connect this hue and saturation to exact layer you need. So let's say we need to make a color correction for this emoji layer. Just press on this hue and saturation, then press on Option or Alt on Mac. So place your mouse somewhere between these layers, and then when you see this arrow sign, just click on it. Bam. And right now this hue and saturation connected to this exact emoji. And let's change the colors of this emoji, and here you can see that colors are changing. Cool. Or maybe you want to make this emoji brighter, I don't know. It can work on any layer. Again, just go to this icon right here and click on exposure. Again, press on Alt or Option to connect these layers like that, or also you can connect layers with this button right here. So right now these are connected, and again here you can change exposure like that. And to export your thumbnail, you need to go to the file, then go to export and quick export as PNG. Or the size of the thumbnail can be bigger than 2 megabytes. It means it can be uploaded to YouTube. So you would need to go to the file, export as. Here you need to choose JPEG, and right here you can see the size of the thumbnail. So right now it's cool, but if it would be more than 2 megabytes, you can change the quality right here, and it would automatically make the size smaller. And just press export.